Step one. Screw it. Yep. Step two, be right back. Oh, drop stuff here real quick. Yeah. Step two. Something like this. Screw it. Very important. It says use fingers for tools, or something about. Yes, stepping more, and we'll be back after more messages. Yeah. Yeah, that's another step. And these things, these little lippy-dippy-doos, gotta take them off. Now it's time to screw things in. Yeah, we're gonna get this, Burger. Step 3. Switch camera. Okay. Base unit. Coaxial. Screwed in. This thingy. Very cool. Extended way up. Oh, well, I'll tell you what. It is a little bit bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be actually about this tall, but it's all good. Hey, I think this is the 10 through 80, and I'm going to find out. This is getting to be a pretty long video, and so I think the only thing I have left is hook this thing up to this thing. Let's see here. Where does it hook up to? I don't even know. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, okay. So it hooks there. Yep. Now we gotta break out the radio and plug it in. So let's see. That'll be interesting. Oh, by the way, it does say don't put it up against metal. Keep it away from stuff. I'm gonna be QRPP, so you know, like 1 watt just to check it. Because I don't have any room. This is where I live, and this is where it's gonna have to be. So yeah, we're gonna go super low power just for, because it does say, you know, super high voltages, death and destruction and shocking and other infertility things. So you know, be careful, be aware. This will kill you. All right. I'll break out some stuff and see what happens. See you, bye-bye.